So, welcome to Wheel Detailers. My name is Martin and today we're going to talk about sneaker cleaning. Check the video to the end to find some super easy tips that every detailer's arsenal can offer you. Let's go! So, first of all, dirty sneakers. How do they look like? And this can all easily be resolved with 2 or 3 products. And the most important one is the D-CON C.I.A Complete Interior All Cleaner. So the next product we're going to use is the D-CON Scrubbing Pad. This is a new scrubbing pad in the plastic. I'll open it for you. Here we go. Completely clean with semi-hard microfiber hairs on one side and short-piled microfiber on the other side, stitched together on the sides and glued in the middle. This is the same product, but it's already being used and worn. So there is a certain point that these hairs are full with taken off dirt and debris, which is in the microfibers, and nevertheless, if you're going to put it in the washing machine or not, it will always have some rest stains in them. So they're super cheap, so what you should do after a certain amount of uses, just throw them away in the trash bin and take a new one. Easy as that. Before we're going to start, we're going to rinse it with water. Soak it in a little bit. And then wring it out. Like this. Here's my C.I.A cleaner. I could also actually spray it on the shoe, but in this case I always like to spray it on the hair side of the scrubbing pad, and I'll just start agitating the surface. Easy as that. Here we can see it's already getting brownish here. So what I'm now going to do is rinse it out again. You can actually also do this over a mid-slide in a bucket with lukewarm water. In this case I'm doing it in the sink. Ta-da! The dirt is rinsed out. This one is ready to go for the other shoe. After cleaning, I'll take a yellow Workhorse Microfiber Towel. Ta-da! No idea what happened here. This thing isn't gone. So I cannot walk on one shoe since I have 2 feet. So let's do the other one as well. Let's do the pre-inspection on how it looks before. So from dirty to clean in probably 2 minutes. So I actually also took a bottle of microfiber wash here. I want to clean this old scrubbing pad with the D-Con microfiber wash in the washing machine in the back. There's a scale on the bottle That's actually, let's say 50 ml that you need for a washing cycle. First time in my life I touched a washing machine. This is a special moment. So, we'll include in this video also what the results are on cleaning the scrubbing pad. See you guys and girls later. So, hello! Not really what I hoped it would be. Let's finalize. This is like the meh phase. Anyway, our videos are always very practical and always very realistic. When things work, we are proud of it and it works and we are happy to show you it. But the microfiber wash and at least this scrubbing sponge compared to the new one is not what I hoped it would be cleaning it with. Nevertheless, my shoes are still super clean. So the C.I.A and the scrubbing sponge worked. But I think we can finalize that after a couple of uses, this one is ready to go in the trash bin and get yourself a new one. That's it for this episode. How to clean sneakers fast and easy. Everybody can do it. You can do it too. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.